Hello and welcome to this video on the history of programming languages. In this video, we'll take a look at the evolution of programming languages from the early days of computing to the present day. In the beginning, there was machine code. Machine code is a series of binary digits that tells the computer what to do. It's the lowest level of programming, and it's what the computer understands natively. Writing programs in machine code was a tedious and error-prone process, and it required a deep understanding of the hardware. It was also almost impossible for humans to read and understand. To make programming easier, the first programming languages were developed in the 1950s. These languages, called assembly languages, used mnemonic codes to represent the machine instructions.
For example, instead of writing 0110000011011001100110011001111, which is the machine code for the word hello, an assembly language programmer could write move 0x09, which means move the value 9 to the register AH. While assembly languages made it easier to write programs, they were still difficult to use and required a deep understanding of the underlying hardware. In the late 1950s, a new type of programming language called a high-level language was developed. High-level languages, such as Fortran and COBOL, used English-like words and mathematical notation to represent algorithms and data structures. This made it much easier for programmers to write and understand code, and it opened up the field of computer science to a wider group of people. Today, there are hundreds of programming languages in use, ranging from low-level languages for controlling hardware to high-level languages for web development and data analysis. Some of the most popular modern programming languages include Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. These languages have made it easier than ever for people to create software and build new technologies. Here is something that not many people may know about computer programming. One of the earliest programming languages, called Lisp, short for list processing, was developed in the late 1950s and is still in use today. Lisp is known for its use of lists and its ability to manipulate itself, which makes it a powerful language for artificial intelligence and machine learning applications. Lisp is also notable for being the second oldest high-level programming language in widespread use, after Fortran. Lisp has a reputation for being difficult to learn and understand, but it has a devoted following among programmers who appreciate its expressive power and flexibility. Despite its age, Lisp remains a relevant and influential language in the world of computer programming.
So that's a brief history of programming languages. From the early days of machine code to the modern languages we use today, programming has come a long way. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching.